Hey friends, my name is Amanda. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and for those of you who are not new here, welcome back. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and also like down below. And yeah, let's hop into today's video. I thought it would be super fun to share with you guys some of the postpartum dressing tricks that I've learned. I'm not an expert, but I am a mom of two, and I definitely have things figured out a little more this time around than I did with my first. I figured out what works for my body, what's flattering, what works through all seasons of life, and I want to share what I've learned and the things that have really helped me in the postpartum season, feeling confident and just having motivation to do things. I want to share those things with you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's hop in. Alright, my first tip for dressing your postpartum body is finding something with buttons. Buttons are so handy for nursing. And then also, I try to emphasize my waist since I don't really have a waist in my postpartum body. So belts and things like that are a great way to give the illusion of a waist. Another great tip for dresses for postpartum feeding is a smock top. So they're great also for your pregnant belly, as you can see, and you can easily pull them down to nurse. Another great thing for postpartum or not postpartum bodies are wrap skirts or wrap dresses. I love a wrap skirt because you can get a custom fit for whatever body size you are. So you can really have a range of sizes and wear the same piece of clothing, which is so nice. And then I'm also showing you why I love button shirts or button dresses. You can put on a baby carrier and then you don't have to take it off to nurse. So you can just slip your baby out of the baby carrier and you have your buttons that you can unbutton so you don't have to take it off. Then I have another wrap top because same idea as the buttons. You can wear a baby carrier over this and you're going to be fine. You don't have to take off the baby carrier every time you need to nurse. You can just slip the baby out. And then also this has a tie waistband, which I just think is really flattering at giving an illusion of a waist when you don't. And here we have another wrap top. Can you guys tell that I like wrap tops and wrap skirts, wrap clothing in general? Surprisingly, I don't actually have a wrap dress. I should get one. But again, wrap items can range from like a couple of sizes in clothing. So you can wear it at your tiniest point or right after postpartum, which is so nice. But I wanted to show you that this is a super cute, like outdoorsy outfit, but it's not the most convenient if you're going to be taking your baby in and out of the carrier, taking on and off your carrier. So if you're running errands like grocery shopping or things like that, it's totally doable. It's just not the most convenient. And I really appreciate convenience with my postpartum wardrobe. I want the wardrobe to work for me and where I'm at. I don't want to have to work for the wardrobe. So I'm going to give you an alternative, but I'm just showing you that this is a little bit more time consuming because you have to take off your coat to put on the baby carrier, then put your coat back on. You could always put the baby carrier over your coat, but I always find that more bulky and harder to do. A really good alternative to this is wearing a shirt that doubles as a baby carrier. This is the Lullaby baby carrier. It's called the Soothe shirt, and it comes in more colors. I wish I had the cream because that would go so good with this outfit. But I have the gray one, and then I have an orange, like an orangish one that matches this jacket, but it was in the wash when I was filming this video. So they come in like 4 colors, and they are so convenient because you don't have to take anything on or off. It is your undershirt, and you can put layers on it, as many as you want, and it's so nice. Lastly, I'm showing you that I like high-waisted jeans personally in postpartum because mid-rise tend to sag on me because it's at my biggest part of my belly, and high-rise are right above the biggest part so they stay in the right place. Alright, I forgot to film an outro, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!